Alright guys, we're back. Today we're going to be cooking, we're going to be smoking some hamburgers. This is one of my kids' favorite dishes. He makes it and has me smoke it for him. But basically it's a lot of Cajun two-step, jalapenos, garlic, some onion powder. Usually he puts onion in it, but I guess he didn't want to cut up an onion today. And we'll just take it, put it in. The reason I leave it in a cast iron dish is because it gets all the juices in there and keeps it in there, keep everything moist. Smoking, as you know, smoking meats dry out your food. So you have to keep moisture to it. So this is how I do it with this. So we'll let that go for a few hours. All right, here's the burgers. So they came out, you see the redness to them. They're actually, that's the smoke getting into them. And now we're getting ready to slap some pepper jack cheese on it. Joe, you want to go ahead and knock that out? I'll hold camera. It's helper day today.
All kinds.
Some pepper jack's what he requested on his burgers. I'll show you those ribs here in a minute.
Oh, these are big cheesy.
Yeah, those are big slices of pepper jack.
Cheeseburger Eddie, baby. It ain't easy being cheesy.
He made some monster cheeseburgers. I tried to push these down some and stop the madness, but it's hard to do the way he makes them. All right, let's close this one up. Yes, you can see it's nice and dark outside the night now. All right, back for the final video of the night. These are the hamburgers. I haven't cut into one yet. I know they were cheesy. Look good. Look at that nice smoke ring in it. Man, he's got a ton of jalapenos in this one. My boy. I raised them right, folks. That's all I can say. Enjoy the heat and the seat. I gotta, that looks so good, I actually gotta try it. Usually I don't steal the kids' food, especially when they make it and they buy it. But he's losing this one. That's really good. The jalapeno flavor isn't too much at all. It's nowhere near what I thought it would be. I get a lot of the seasoning, get a lot of smoke in it. And get some garlic. I know he said he put garlic powder in it. No, he put garlic, but onion powder. I was actually surprised it tastes that much garlic with the smoke flavor to it. So no, nice, tender. It's still pretty juicy. So yeah, smoked burgers. Never know till you try them, guys. See you next time.